Welcome to YouTube channel, Beat English, a journey from land to sky. IELTS positive and negative essay structure for this type. Introduction paragraph 1. General sentence. Paraphrase the statement. Thesis. Express main ideas. Main body paragraph 2. Causes. Argument. Topic sentence / Explanation. Elaborate the topic. Example. Main body paragraph 3. Positive / negative viewpoint. Argument. Topic sentence. Explanation. Elaborate the topic. Example. Main body paragraph 3. Positive / negative viewpoint. Argument. Topic sentence. Explanation. Elaborate the topic. Conclusion paragraph 4. Paraphrase thesis. Summarize main idea. Recommendation. Fast food is getting popularity. What are the reasons? Do you think this is a positive or negative development? 1. Fast food has become a global phenomenon, gaining widespread popularity in recent years. Several factors contribute to this trend, including convenience, affordability, and widespread availability. I believe that this development is ultimately negative due to its impact on health and society. One of the main reasons fast food is popular is convenience. Many people have busy lives, with work or school taking up most of their time. Fast food restaurants are everywhere, making it easy to grab a meal on the go. For example, a person can stop at a fast food place for lunch during a busy workday without taking too much time. While there are benefits to fast food, I believe it has more negative effects. One major concern is its impact on public health. Fast food is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugars, contributing to a rise in obesity and related health issues such as diabetes and heart disease. In a recent research conducted in UK that claimed that about 70% people consume fast food regularly and faces increased in healthcare costs and a decline in overall health. 4. Additionally, fast food can affect our eating habits. When people get used to eating fast food, they may forget how to cook healthy meals at home. This can lead to a loss of traditional cooking skills and cultural dishes. It is important for everyone to learn how to prepare healthy meals. 5. In conclusion, fast food is popular because it is convenient and affordable. However, I think this trend is mostly negative due to its harmful effects on health and eating habits. It is essential to find a balance between enjoying fast food occasionally and making healthier choices for a better future. Home task. Playing video games in children and teenagers are getting popularity. What are the reasons? Do you think this is a positive or negative effect on children? Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Beat English.